Hey there, I'm Daisy Whitney reporting for Beat TV here in the heart of San Francisco at the Thirsty Bear restaurant. We are at the Brightco Video Alliance meetup. Number of cool companies here, and I am with Chris Liu, who is the CEO of JS Kit, and you have the Echo service product. You're going to tell us all about it.
You got it. So we all make content, whether it's photos or news stories or blog posts, and Echo sits at the bottom of that content, and it's a way for people to come up to the content, describe their feelings about it, and then share it with their friends, whether it's on Facebook or Twitter or what have you.
Okay, but give me an example. So if I'm on Facebook, in what capacity am I interacting with Echo? Do I know, or does it kind of live underneath applications or services?
Great question. So let's suppose you're on the New York Times and you're looking at the Obama healthcare story and you are full of energy with it, and you go to the bottom of that story and you make your comments, I love it or I hate it or what have you. That's our system. And the minute that you make that comment, we will take it and then put it on your Facebook wall so that all your friends can hear your thoughts about that particular story.
Hence the name Echo. Okay, so what is the latest? What have you been working on this summer? What are your plans for the fall? What's new?
What's new for us is if you're on that Obama story on the New York Times, Echo goes out and grabs every bit of discussion about the Obama healthcare package and puts it on the story beneath you in real time. So it's not just the New York Times view of it, it's the entire world's view of that story.
Okay, so how do you make money? Do you have content partners, website partners, and do they license your service or something else entirely?
Yeah, great question. It's a subscription, so sites pay us per year. For smaller sites, it's $12, and for larger sites like the New York Times, it's $5,000 a year.
Are you making money? Are you profitable?
Hold on a second.
I'm going to call the CFO right now and find out.
Yeah, note to self. Yeah, no, we're doing very well. We're profitable at this point. People love Echo. They love the fact that when they leave a comment on a single site that it gets propagated out to all their friends, because at the end of the day, your opinion is a badge of honor, and you want that shared. You want it shared with your Twitter followers, you want it shared with your Facebook wall, and so on. It's about reputation, it's about showing how intelligent you are or how funny you are, and that's what Echo is. It's about this way to say something and then have that broadcasted throughout the world.
So tell us who some of your partners are. You mentioned the New York Times. Is the New York Times a partner? And just rattle off 5 or 6 others so our viewers can get a sense of, oh, when I'm on this page, it's Echo that's powering it.
Okay, so if we take some examples like Robert Scoble's Building 43, Guy Kawasaki's blog, Discovery Channel, Discovery News, Hearst News Properties like Dallas Morning Star, etc., Sun Microsystems, JetBlue, Experian. We're the behind-the-scenes player, the guy behind the scenes that pull, the marionette player, right? We pull the trigger.
Puppeteer!
Thank you. Well spoken and well said with a lady in red. There you have it. So yeah, some of the things that are coming our way are we've added the ability for people to upload a photo or a video. Sometimes I don't really want to say a whole paragraph of something. I just want to share a photo or a video, and some of those things are in the product now.
So you said that you're profitable now. Are you a venture-backed company? Did you fund this yourself, Chris? Tell us a little bit about the backstory of the money.
Yeah, it was all blood, sweat, and tears. No, it started, of course, in our living room, etc. There's money in from our family personally to start it. We received a Series A round from the Entrepreneurs Fund, which founded companies like Sybase and Commerce One and Sagent, and then most recently with Altos Ventures, which is a Sand Hill Road VC. So yeah, we've kind of creep, crawl, walk, run.
Okay, final question for you. What is the biggest challenge you face in a year ahead with the company?
I think the biggest challenge from the very beginning until now has always been focus. There's many good ideas, there's many good directions, and all of us, whether it's in our own individual lives or it's in our company lives, can really only take one. And I think when we finally pick that one, we find happiness, and when we try to do multiple, we get confused. And so the focus for this year will be to pick the one road for us, and that's Echo.
And is there a specific road that you mean when you say that in terms of the company, when you're saying the focus? Like, do you have a specific focus for the year ahead? Because I agree with you on the bigger picture, but is there a specific area that you're going to focus on?
Yeah, we used to have a ratings service, a polls widget where you could, do I like Obama or not? and a number of these other services, and we just recently discontinued them, not because we didn't love the products or they weren't very interesting, but because we realized as a very small team of 30 people, you can do one thing and you can do that one thing right, and we picked Echo.
Okay, I see what you mean. So that's a little bit of technology for you, and a little bit of Zen, advice, gurudom, et cetera, et cetera. Chris, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. Be well.